Hello students, how are you all? So students, as you know, we are doing chapter symmetry, patterns and nets. So today our topic is turning shapes. Okay, so there are actual 4 turns. So we will discuss one by one. So first, if we turn our shape through 190-degree angle, okay, we turn our shape to 90-degree angle, then it is said to be 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is 90 degree, and this turn is also called quarter turn. Quarter turn. So next, if we rotate our shape or any figure or anything through 2 right angles, so then we will get half turn. Half turn means 2 right angles. Okay, 90 plus 90, total angle will be 180 degree. Okay, so third turn is if we turn our figure or shape into 3 right angles, 1, 2 and 3. So total turn will be 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 3/4 turn, and total angle 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is 270 degree. So next turn is if we turn any shape to 4 right angles, then there will be one complete turn. How? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So 4 times we are adding, so we will get 4 by 4. You know how to add like fractions? Okay, so 4 by 4 is 1. One complete turn. So after 4 turns, we will reach to its original position. Okay, so angle will be, complete angle will be 360 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. So 4 times 90 degree means 360 degree. So now we will take some examples. First I am taking here example. Give a quarter turn to 3 2 times. Okay, so I have written here 3. So first I will give quarter turn. Quarter turn, I told you that quarter turn is also called 1/4 turn. Okay, so 1/4. So it means we will move or we will give one turn, means 190 degree angle only. We'll turn this picture to 190 degree angle, means next position will be this one. Okay, so again I'll give 1/4 turn to this picture only, so it will become like this, 190 degree. So 2 1/4 turns. One more example I am taking. Give a half turn to this letter. Okay, so it means half turn means how many right angles? 2 right angles. It means complete 180 degree. So complete 180 degree means its bottom become will top and top will become bottom. Okay, so it will be like this. I hope it is all clear to you. So with one more example I want to show, like this is a pen. Okay, so if I give it 1/4 turn, it will move like this. Okay, this is 1/4 turn, 190 degree angle. Okay, so if I give one more 1/4 turn, means 1/4 plus 1/4, that is half. Okay, so it will be like this. You know its original position. Earlier cap was on the top. Okay, so now cap is at bottom. So this is half turn. It means in half turn, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Okay, so again if I want to give it 1/4 turn, so this one. Again 1/4 turn, fourth one, so this one. After 4 1/4 turn, it will come at its original position. means it has completed one complete round. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you students. Have a nice day.